Hello guys, magandang hapon guys. Sa araw na ito mag-fishing tayo dito. Ayun, si Charlotte na una na dun. Yeah. Guys, karating na natin dito sa spot. Bababa tayo. Ayun guys, oh. Yan. Tingnan mo, pisarad ko. Ano yun? Ha? Charlotte. Doon tayo, bababa tayo. Tara. Ano yan? Ha? Akin na.
Two ladybugs humping each other.
Okay. Big me.
See, look, they're humping.
Oh, yeah, he's meet him. Maybe he's
They're humping each other.
yan guys. So, yan. Tara na.
Oh.
Yan. Ayun, bababa tayo doon. Baba, oh. Low tide. Low tide pala guys. Low tide. Yan.
Two ladybugs are humping each other there.
May sapa dito guys, oh. Malalim na sapa. Yan. High tide na guys, high tide. Yan.
Oh, ladybug. What's a ladybug? What's a ladybug?
Really got bug.
Yeah, ladybug.
Okay. Ayan guys, baba na tayo. Ito guys, kung gusto mo guys magpayat, nako. Ito tayo. Look at this, we have people in there smoking. Look at this. Hi. Siya. You walk in here. Not there. We have people in here. What's that? Fishing. Ah, let's go fishing, eh? Ano yun? We have people in there fishing. Look at it. Fishing on the rock. Fishing on the rock. Yeah. Yeah. Guys, dito na tayo. Okay. Ayan. Yan. Dito tayo magpipishing. Yan. Tara, dito tayo. Oh, dito po ba? Yeah. You wait the one in there. I'm back. I back to you, okay? Saglit. You alright? You alright? That's alright. Hmm. Yan. Yan natin pisilad. So, wala yan, paro. What the one? Paro-paro. Just stand it. And sit up the fishing rod, okay? You sit in there, you sit in there. Over here. Yeah. Okay guys. Hanggang dito lang muna ang ating video. Kaya mag-sit up tayo ng ating fishing rod. Okay? See you later. Bye-bye.